Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to talk about objects and field API names. How do we find it and what is the importance of knowing those object or field API names? And why do we need these API names? So if we take example of creating a formula, so you would need the API name of that specific field which you are interacting. And also if you are creating a validation rule, so you would definitely need the API name of those fields. And in addition to that, if you are trying to create a record using this kind of an apex code, so you definitely need API name of that object and the API name of those fields as well. Usually when you log into a Salesforce org and navigate to any specific object, you don't see the API name within the screen, but you can find it in the URL itself. So right now I'm on contact screen. You can find the API name of the object in the URL, which is contact. Contact is a Salesforce based standard object. So in Salesforce, there are two types of objects, standard and custom objects. Standard objects are the objects that are predefined within the Salesforce, whereas the custom objects are something that we build based on our requirement. And the another way of differentiating between standard and custom objects, the standard objects does not have any suffix, whereas the custom objects will end with underscore underscore c. I'm going to show you how it looks like. And so another way of finding an API name of an object is from the object manager. So how do we go to the object manager? You can click on this gear icon and click on this setup, and here you can see there is a quick find for the setup menu, but you can go to the object manager here, and so you can see all the available objects. So you can click on your desired object. So if I go to account, which is also a Salesforce based standard object, so if you look at the API name of it, it says account. If there is a custom object called library, you can see library underscore underscore c. That's how it looks like. And coming to the fields, so usually for fields also you can find their API names within this fields and relationship field section. So for example, for account name, the API name is name. And similarly, so you can see it is active underscore underscore c here. These are the list of API names for this object. That's how you can find it.